Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Roblox voice chat on your mobile. So on your Roblox app on your phone, tap the three dots that you can see on the bottom right corner of your phone and scroll down a bit and then tap for the settings. Now under settings, go on and tap account information or account info, and then all you have to do is to edit here your personal information and verify your age here by tapping or write in here your birthday. So prepare your valid ID. It could be a driver's license, passport, ID card, or your residence permit. And then you can tap and then start session. So you have to verify your age in order for you to get that voice chat available on your account. So just follow the process here by uploading the front page and also the back page of your ID. And then once it's all good, then it will be asking for your face ID. Then all you have to do is just to show your face. And then once everything is good, now you will be verified, and then just refresh your account. Then you can go on enable voice chat from your account. So let's go on, tap the three dots again, and then go on the settings and then tap on the privacy. Then under here, you have now under the beta features, you'll now see the enable voice chat. So just toggle that on and tap enable. So that's all the process. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.